Hi, how are you all today? Really nice to see you. I'm going to talk to you about something really close to my heart. Making decision. Now this is something a lot of people are spending a lot of time and they are still unable to come up with the right decision that will make them happy. I'll tell you my personal experience. One of my friends, he's a doctor. He called me up and he wanted to ask what car to buy. He was deciding between a Volvo and a Mercedes Benz. Now whatever I'm going to share with you, a tool that I'm going to share with you, it's all in this book that we launched. It's called How to Be a Supercharged Family. If you go to page 30 in this book, you'll know how to use this tool. So what I advised him to do is that to get a piece of paper, put a line in the center which looks like this. It's called, I'll leave it later in the video. Okay, all the links are there. And I asked him to write on the left hand side yucks, the things that he doesn't like about his current car and his previous car, all the experience about the car, the model, the comfort level. And on the right hand side, the yays, yay, I like this, yay, I like that, yay, basically all the things that he likes. So I asked him to make a list of this. So after making a list, just fold the piece of paper and pay attention to only the yays. Now these are basically, you can also call it the clarity. This is what I want. Now after making this list, what you need to do is that take the specification of the car that you want to buy, in this case a Volvo or a Mercedes Benz, and then look at all the specification and all the things that the car has and put a tick to this yes. And the list which has the most number of ticks on the car that you want to buy is the car that you should buy, because it is actually taking care of your emotional decision and also your logical decision. So this is what my friend did. He actually bought a Mercedes Benz and he called me. He was so excited about it because the decision making process was made easy. So I would like to propose to you, get a piece of paper, put a line in between just like what you can see here, and then write down your yucks of what you don't like and the yays of what you want. You write it down. Get a copy of this book. It's all there. There's 1/3 of the book talks about the concept of law of attraction and how to gain clarity through yucks and yays. Wish you all the best and have fun making decisions.